In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change voice of Chat GPT. We will walk through each step together so you can follow along on your screen without getting lost. First, open your browser and search for Chat GPT. In the address bar or search box, type the words Chat GPT with a space between each word, then press enter. On most browsers, you will see a results page with several links, usually with the official site near the top. Take a second to notice the small descriptions under each result so you do not rush into an unrelated page. Now, click on the correct link. You are looking for the official ChatGPT site, which normally shows OpenAI in the title and description. Hover over the result for a moment and check that the web address mentions OpenAI so you know it is the real page. Then click that result once. After a brief load, you should land on the Chat GPT welcome or sign in screen with clear buttons for logging in or signing up. Next, click Login, then choose between logging in with Google, Apple, phone, or email, and follow the prompts depending on the chosen login. On this screen, you will see separate buttons for each option, usually stacked or side by side. If you pick Google or Apple, a small window opens asking you to confirm which account to use. If you choose phone or email, you will be asked to type your details. Then you might receive a code or a link. Follow each prompt slowly and watch for any error messages if something is mistyped. When you finish, you should see the main Chat GPT interface, with a sidebar on the left and a big text box at the bottom. From there, click on your profile icon or account name in the bottom left corner. In the sidebar, look all the way down and you should see either your initials, a small profile picture, or your account name. Click directly on that area once. A small menu will slide or pop up above it, covering part of the sidebar. After that, click Settings from the pop-up menu. Inside this small menu, you will see several options listed vertically. Look for the word Settings and click it. A settings window opens in the center or on the side of the screen, with different sections organized in a list or tabs. This panel stays open while you adjust things, and you can still see the darker background of the main chat behind it. Now look under the Voice tab. Choose the model between Live, Advanced, or Standard. Click the arrow to go through available voices and keep it on your preferred voice, then close the setting. In the Voice area, you will see the 3 model choices, each representing a different way ChatGPT handles spoken responses. Select one by clicking on it once. Below or beside it, use the arrow control to cycle through the list of available voices, pausing briefly to listen or check the preview name on screen before moving to the next one. When you stop on a voice, that selection remains active as your new voice. Finally, close the settings window, and you will be back at the main chat, now using the voice you just picked. You have now successfully changed the voice of ChatGPT to match your preference. If this helped you get a voice you like, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more clear guides like this.